pretty grey and rainy day out, so yeah, thought I could do some bike maintenance. The chain on my motorcycle have really been neglected, and I'm guessing the last owner never cleaned it but only reapplied grease or oil every now and then. So yeah, it's really dirty and greasy, really in need of some love. So here is what you will need: some rubber gloves, kerosene or lamp oil, some brush of some sort. I'm using a nail brush, some paper and a non-woven fabric or cloth, or yeah, some kind of towel, chain wax or some kind of chain oil. And also, if you have a chain protection, a screwdriver or wrench to take that off. Also some protection on the ground. I'm using a big plastic bag with some cardboard and paper to suck up kerosene and grease that won't stay or fall down in the bucket. First thing is to unbolt or unscrew the chain protection. I actually thought my chain and sprocket was black, but yeah, you will see here that it was not. And yeah, then it's just to soak with kerosene. I'm actually having like this Mr. Muscle bottle here, but it was an empty bottle. Just use this because it's easier to spray. And yeah, just go ahead, do that, and spin the tire to get it all over the chain and around the sprocket. Once you soaked it in, you take the brush and hold that to your chain and then spin the wheel. And do this from all angles, from the right side, left side, over and under. And yeah, then it's just to repeat. Take the kerosene and spray again, spin the wheel, soak it in, and you can see here how things just start to drip off. Same again with the brush. And my chain, the amount of filth that was on it, I need to repeat this, I think it was 4 times before I got it to where I was happy with it. And yeah, you can see the difference, and you can really see it's not the black chain or sprocket on this motorcycle as I thought. And yeah, all the grease and filth under the bike. So yeah, this won't be on the video, but I roll the bike out and I wash it. And yeah, drying off the bike and also the chain and sprocket. And I'm using this unwoven fabric cloth. Fiber cloth we call it in Sweden. And once that's done, I apply chain lube, just spraying while turning the wheel to make sure it gets in everywhere until the whole chain is lubed, and then just wiping off the excessive chain wax or lube. And yeah, here it's all done, nice and lubed and ready to roll again. So yeah, hope you liked the video and found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.